Welcome back to our English Language Learner Parents Guide series. In video 6, we will talk about the fourth domain or section the ELPAC test covers: writing. Here is an example of a question your student will experience in the writing portion of the ELPAC. The student will be asked a question about what they think about a topic. They need to write an answer and give 2 to 3 reasons why they think that way. In this example, students are answering the question, do you think it is a good idea for students to be required to wear uniforms? Students will write at least one paragraph in support of their opinion to give to the principal. Now, how can you practice at home? We'll share with you at least 4 ways. First, find and use key words. Underline important words while reading and practice using them in writing. Second, write about what you see. Have your student describe a picture or summarize what they read. Third, use thinking tools. Practice using charts, maps, or organizers to plan ideas. And fourth, practice inferences. Teach your child to make smart guesses about what's happening based on clues in the text or picture. Thank you for watching our video series about the ELPAC test. We've talked about the 4 areas: listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and shared some fun ways to practice at home. Reading is really important, so the more you read, the easier the test will feel. In the next video, we'll talk about some practical ideas for parent-teacher conferences. So make sure to check it out. Keep practicing. You can do it.